Yo, what's going on, ladies and gentlemen? It is I, BVFcollection, bringing you an unboxing video. Today's unboxing video is the metallic hoodie from 2018. My first metallic piece that I'm very excited to open here for you guys. Also, will want to say this is going to be a sick unboxing video. Literally, no pun intended. I am sick right now, so you might see some signs of that throughout this video. Anyways, with all that said and done, let's go ahead and get open. I got this bad boy from Canada, home of the maple leaf. All right. The main slit is done. This side is done. The last piece of the puzzle opened up. Friendly reminder, never cut towards you like I'm doing. I'm showing you what not to do. Coin claw, as usual, served its purpose. Now it's out of here. Now for the hoodie. Nice, a black hoodie that you can't see nothing, except for a little bit right there. Let's go ahead and open it up. Oh, I think I felt the logo. So let's get rid of that box. Flip it over. Oh, it's the skull. All right, cool. We got some little specks of stuff. I see the hood. I see the tag right there. So let's go ahead and do an opening in 3, 2, 1. Bam. There it is. The metallic hoodie with the good old OG narrow arc logo. Here we go. We got the sleeve text right here. All metallic. A very cool material that I've never seen used before. Or at least I've never bought from Revenge. Or they haven't used it for a long time. There's cuffing. How's the inside? Kind of soft still. Oh, the inside is soft. Let's go. That makes me very happy. We got the metal eyelets. You already know. Independent. And then the nice blue tag. The last era of the OG Lightning tags. You already know. Size extra large. One of two sizes that I really like. It's either extra large or a double. Let's go ahead and check out the inside if it's got that tag. Looks like it's been cut off. Yep, independent tag has been ripped off. And then the last, imagine this with the metallic Killand. Like, this is during similar, that era, but man, that would have been cool, metallic Killand. But instead, we got this dope skull. And I haven't had or owned any, like, skull piece before. I have the archive piece, like one of those, like with the skull and the R, but my first is skull. Very nice. I like the feeling of it. I like the sizing of it. I can't wait to try this on. Let's get rid of this weird spectacle. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the unboxing video. Again, very happy with it. I love it. I'm on the lookout for the LA pop-up exclusive one, where it's like, it's not metallic, but it's like a rainbow metallic. So definitely on the lookout for that. Anyways, I think this part's super stretched getting rid of this. That's kind of funny. You see that being worn or type thing. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And if you haven't already, turn on notification bells too. That's pretty much it. So again, yeah, have a great day. Love you guys. Bye.